Go to sap.com. To create an account, click this icon. Fill up this form. Provide the email address, first name, last name, company. If you're currently unemployed, you could just place NA. And then provide country, phone number, department. If you're just currently exploring this SAP environment, you could just randomly select. Relationship to SAP, if you're a student, there's an option for you here. And then put the password and tick this terms and conditions of sap.com and then submit. After submission, you'll receive an email from SAP containing this message. So just click this blue button. Afterwards, another tab will be created confirming that you have successfully created your SAP account. So you can now go to cockpit.hanatrial.ondemand.com. So before you see this homepage, you have to input your credentials first. Once you see this page, you can now click this enter your trial account. You will be asked to log in your credentials again, and another activation email will be sent. In SAP email, you need to click this button again. After that, you will be asked to verify your telephone number. So provide a legit telephone here, and then code will be sent to your number. And just press continue.